Hello students, this is the last part of exercise 2.2 of our second chapter linear equations in one variable. Today's first question is number 16. Kareem is 3 times as old as his son. So son's age is at base. So we'll write that let son's age be x years and father's age be 3 times means 3x. So this is 3x years. Okay. The sum of their ages after 10 years will be 76. According to question, after 10 years, son's age will be x plus 10 and his father's age will be 3x plus 10 and their sum will be 76. So x plus 10 is the age of son and x plus 3x plus 10 will be the age of father. Now this 3x plus x will be 4x and this plus 10 plus 10 will be 20. This plus 20 will become here minus 20 and it is 56. This 4 will come down. 14 4 56. So son's age is x. So x is 14 years and Kareem is father. So Kareem's age is 3x. So we will multiply 3 by 14. 14 is 42 years. So this is the answer. 14 years and 42 years. Next question is 17 first part. A man moves from A to B at the rate of 4 km an hour. Had he moved at the rate of 3 and 2 upon 3 km an hour, he would have taken 3 hours more to move that distance. Find the distance between A and B. So here the distance between A and B we have to find. The distance is not given. So we'll put here let the distance between A and B be x kilometers. Okay. So this 3r is the difference between two times. Okay. According to question, time 1 minus time 2. The distance between two timings is 3 hours. Formula for time is distance upon speed. So again we will read the question. A man moves A to B at the rate of 4 km an hour. Okay. 4 km an hour is the speed. Had he moved at the rate of this speed 3 and 2 upon 3 km an hour, he would have taken 3 hours more. So the difference between these two timings is 3 hours. So we will put here distance. So distance we have taken as x. So first timing will be x upon 3 and 2 upon 3 minus second distance divided by 4 km per hour is equal to 3. So this is the equation. Now x divided by, I am changing this sign as this to be more convenient. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, and 11 upon 3, this multiply, and 11 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 11, 3x upon 11 minus x upon 4 is equal to 3. LCM of 3 and 4 will be 44. Now 44 divided by 11 is 4, and 4 is 12. It is 12x. 44 divided by 4 is 11, and 11 into x is 11x. 12 minus 11 is 1. 1 is not written. So we'll cross multiply here. 1 into x is x, and 44 into 3. So 3 4 is 12. 3 4 is 12, 1, 13. So this is the answer. Okay. Next, question number 18 is the fill in the blanks, but you have to solve all the parts separately. Okay. Don't do it like fill in the blanks. Rupees 561 are divided among A, B and C such that A's share is 120 more than B's share and 120 less than C's share. B's share will be. Okay. So we can see that B's share is at the base. So we'll write here, let B's share be rupees X, A's share is 120 more than B, so X plus 120. Now C's share we have to write. It is given that A's share is also 120 less than C's share, so C's share will be 120 more than A's share. So we will add 120 more on C. So C will have the greatest value. According to question, A's share is X plus 120, B's share is X, and C's share is X plus 120 plus 120 is 240. A, B and C's share on added gives us 561. So X plus X plus X gives you 3X. 120 plus 240 gives you 360. 561. This plus 360 becomes minus 360 here, and it is 201. This 3 comes down. 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21. So B's share we have to find. B's share is X, so X is the value. So B's share is equal to rupees 67. Okay. Number 19 is the match the following. Okay, but you have to solve all the parts as small questions. Okay, don't do it directly like match the following. Any question may change its face. Parts of rupees 81 when it is divided amongst A, B and C so that B may get rupees 7 more than A and C gets rupees 6 less than A's share. So we have to find the share of the 3. Here B may get rupees 7 more than A. So A is at the base. Let A's share be rupees X. B may get rupees 7 more than A. So X plus 7 is here. And C gets 6 less than A's share. C's share is equal to 6 less means minus 6 less than twice A's share. So we will write here 2x. Okay, according to question, this is A's share, this is B's share, and this is C's share. On adding these three, we get 81. X plus 2x gives you 4x. 7 minus 6 gives you plus 1. This plus 1 goes to the right hand side, becomes minus 1. So it is 80. This 4 comes down, 4 20s. Okay. So A's share equals to rupees 20. This is X. B's share is X plus 7. Sorry, we will write here 20. So 20 plus 7 is equal to rupees 27. And C's share we will get like this, 2x minus 6. So 2 into 20 is 40, and 40 minus 6 gives you 34. So you will match with the part in which there are numbers 20, 27 and 34. Okay, all the parts of this fill in the blanks, and all the parts of this match the following you will do yourself as your homework. Okay, and we will continue tomorrow with exercise 2.3. Thank you.